So on this very short video, we are going to be talking about the latest updates about the Billion Network airdrop. All right, so we are going to be talking about how you can be able to get the OG role very faster. All right, so if you are into Billion Network airdrop, this video is very important for you because it's actually going to be helping you position very well for the airdrop, because as you all may have known, those with the OG rules are going to be getting the lion's share. I mean, they are going to be getting the biggest portion of the airdrop. So they actually rolled out a new update regarding the OG role. That is how you can be able to get the OG role very fast. This is what we're going to be talking on this particular video. So before we talk about that, make sure you have already got yourself the Billion Network app. Make sure you have gotten yourself the Billion Network app. If you don't have the app, simply go to Play Store and download the Billion Network app. After downloading it, go ahead and log into your own account. All right, so once that is done, then you go ahead right here to let me show you the announcement they made regarding the OG role. That is how you can be able to get the OG role very fast. So they made the announcement right here saying that we have noticed something. Not everyone has someone to nominate them. Not everyone gets seen the same way. So we are changing that, introducing Billion CV, a space where you can showcase yourself, your contribution, your energy. Not no gatekeeping, no waiting to be noticed, just you presenting your impact. And they actually go ahead to give you how it works. They gave an announcement, example right here, showing you how you can actually do it. So first of all, create a simple CV, and that can be your Notion, Google Doc, and anything clean and public. Of course, they also share, this is where you can share it in this public CV. When you click on this, it's going to be taking you to where you can share your details. And if they say right here, if you are looking for the OG role, okay, you share it here if you're looking for OG role, and they say share it here, no access, if you are looking for the SOG role. I don't actually know what SOG role actually means. So but each one you are looking for is totally up to you. The most important thing right here is that you have got the OG role. Now they say let your work speak for itself. This is what you are going to be including on that Billion Network OG role. So what you need to include right there is, of course, you need to have at least basic badge on your account. So over here, this is my own account right here, and over here you can see I have the basic badge right there. They have the basic badge and they also have the premium badge right here. Whichever one you get is totally okay. And of course right here you they have the this one, they call it basic badge and verified and premium. So you need to have at least basic badge. Basic badge is, I think, is available to everyone out there. So first thing is, of course, your basic badge. You need to have a basic badge. Then you include your Discord name, you include your X profile, then your contribution to the Billion. That is the way the way you have actually helped the Billion Network to actually scale up. And also you include your skill, idea, or initiative you have supported. Or the last one right here is anything you believe represents your value here. All right, so now they said, okay, this isn't about perfection, it's about visibility. So they are trying to let you know that this is, you don't need to be perfect about the whole thing. That is, you don't need to be a professional on whatever you do, on in whatever way that you may have contributed. The most important thing is that you contributed it publicly. Now over here they said again, if you have been building, helping, contributing, this is your moment. That is, you need to actually show them what you have been. That is, any way you have actually helped the Billion Network to scale up. If you have ever done that in any way, or if you are interested to get the OG, and remember, getting the OG actually helps you get a larger airdrop allocation, right? It helps you to be considered first. Now, if you have actually helped in any way, go ahead and click over here on Billion CV. All right, so once you click on it, they are going to be bringing you right here, and of course, this is where you can actually apply. All right, this is where you can apply, and once you apply, they are going to be taking that into account, and of course, you are going to be getting rewarded for that. All right, so it is all as simple as this, and this is what you need to know right now about the Billion Network airdrops. Go right now, submit your CV and wait to be nominated as one of the OGs. And once you are nominated as one of the OGs, then you are going to be getting a larger airdrop allocation from the Billion Network airdrop. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I'll be talking to you on the next update dropping very soon.